Welcome to VitalVibe Health. Do you wake up feeling tired, even after a full night of sleep? It might not be about how long you sleep. It could be what your cells are dealing with inside your body. Sleep gives your body time to recover, but it doesn't remove the toxins, inflammation, and stagnation that silently build up. Over time, your cells become congested, mitochondria slow down, and your energy production drops, even if you sleep well. You wake up feeling sluggish, heavy, or foggy, and reach for more caffeine, which only masks the problem. Your cells need circulation, oxygen, hydration, and minerals, not just rest. When your mitochondria lack oxygen or coenzymes, your body can't convert food into energy efficiently. This is why some people feel tired for no reason. This energy loss happens quietly after 30 to 35 in most people. Start your day with warm water and lemon. Supports liver, digestion, and morning detox. Try a cup of rosemary tea. It may support blood flow and oxygen to the brain and cells. Avoid coffee first thing. It constricts vessels and may worsen cellular dehydration. Practice deep breathing or a short walk in fresh air before your first meal. These natural practices don't just energize you, they gently reset your internal environment. When your cells are supported, your body feels lighter. Your energy returns, not from a pill or a drink, but from inside. Take it one day at a time. You don't need a drastic change, you just need to support your body at the source. Thanks for watching VitalVibe Health. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and check the description for more natural wellness insights and resources. You're not broken, you're just ready to reconnect with what your body truly needs.